just when you thought it was safe to go back into the kitchen. It is. With Lifelong Gifts Sandwich Shark. Crafted from high-carbon German steel, its balanced design and serrated blade makes slicing bread quick and easy. It's sharp enough to easily slice meats and cheeses, and precise enough to gently slice tomatoes and vegetables. The Sandwich Shark boasts a wide paddle-shaped blade that makes spreading your favorite condiment smooth and efficient. When you've got a ravenous crowd with an appetite for lunch, look no further than the Sandwich Shark from Lifelong Cutlery to make your meal prep a snap. The Sandwich Shark makes light work of meal prep at any time of day. It's also perfect for serving cakes and pies. The wide blade will make it your go-to kitchen utensil for dishing out your favorite desserts. Available in the Legacy and Premier collection. Delivered in this handsome gift box, it can be fully engraved to make an amazing gift that will remind your client of your tremendous service. Get yours before it gets you at lifelonggifts.com. Googly eyes not included.